Look at the top. Oh my God. Never. That is bizarre.
Look at that boat.
Susan, have you ever seen them? No.
That boat's going towards it.
Look at the top, y'all. You can see the water coming down it.
It's not water coming down. That's not how it works. It's wind.
It's wind.
Yeah.
Hey, why does that happen?
I used to know. I don't know anymore.
Y'all, that is so cool. On your birthday, Harrison. Your own.
Who's winning the hot dog
Who
contest?
cares? Your own water spout on your birthday. I wish I could call Will and Tara to look in the thing.
You can hang up.
No, I want to video it. It's too cool.
All video.
Call Will and Tara.
Look at that.
Jacob, call Will. Look at it. Oh my God.
Oh, Tara's over here.
Oh, Tara is?
Look at that.
It's coming right toward us.
He needs to pick up Piper.
Y'all need to come up here.
Piper's gonna get blown away.
Oh! Oh, look, it just picked up right there.